friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix HP Laserjet 1020 plus printer double paper pickup problem. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, let's start the video. Take a print your PC. Printer is warming. Print is come. You see, second paper is automatic jam. Okay, open side cover. This is relay for paper pickup. Remove this connector from logic port. Okay, open this relay. Okay, you see, relay is not work properly. Okay, remove this spring and this door. You see, there is sticky. Clean this properly. After cleaning, refix relay to printer. Okay, clean this also. Okay, I am already fixed. Take a printout from PC, multiple pages for testing. You see, first page is come, second is come, third is come. Okay, problem is fixed. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.